Builderall team. In this video, I'm going to show you the brand new Mailingboss. So let's start off with the screen itself and show you what things are on the home screen or the default screen in Mailingboss. The first thing I'm seeing is a blue card, and this is where the last subscription list that you created shows. That'll be the first thing you see when you open up your new Mailingboss dashboard. You also see a way to add a subscriber list right on the screen, and you see a way to add a new campaign right on the screen. We've also got some new menus, so let's take a look at the left-hand side, and we can see that we've got several items in this menu, including looking at pricing plans that are available if you want to go over your 10,000 subscribers. You can also look at your subscriber list, your email campaigns, the different templates that are available in the template gallery. You can connect a domain and verify it in Mailingboss right here. You can get your API keys, you can work with automation, and we've even got an integration key. The next thing I want to show you is one of my favorite buttons, and that is the Mailingboss icon right here. Anytime you're working in Mailingboss, if you want to go right back to the dashboard immediately, all you do is click this button and it will reload and take you straight to the dashboard. So you can start again at the very beginning in Mailingboss. We've got a brand new menu at the top of the screen with several different categories. This one deals with subscriber lists. This one deals with email campaigns and email sequences and regular emails, and you can even work with custom tags here. This item deals with templates in the template gallery, and this item deals with automation and segmentation and setting rules for your subscribers so you can segment them. We also have your profile information right here, and you can click this information to change any of your personal information and any of your default company information. This icon will show you your account usage, including your sending quota, the number of lists you have, the number of campaigns you have, and the number of subscribers you have. And then the last icon here allows you to log completely out of Mailingboss. So let's take a look now at how to create your first subscriber list. That's pretty easy. We can actually do that right here where it says create subscriber list. So I'm going to go ahead and type in a subscriber list name, and I'm also going to type in a display name and a description. Once I've got those three fields filled in, I'm going to click continue. And now I'm going to enter the general data. I've already put in the name, the display name, and the description. And the next thing I need to decide is whether the opt-in is going to be single or double. I'm going to choose double, and I'm going to also choose a double opt-out. That means they have to do 2 actions to opt in and 2 actions to opt out. I'm going to click next. And here I'm going to decide on the fields that I want inside my subscriber list. I want to collect their email and I want to collect their first name. If I wanted to add more fields, I could add them right here. I'm going to stick with the way it is right now and click Save Changes. And now I'm taken into the first email to edit. This is the subscribe confirmation email. I can configure the email the way I want it and then click Save and Next. And then I'm sent to the page where the subscriber is told they are pending subscribe, and this is if they are a double opt-in. So I can make any edits that I want to make and then click Save and Next. The next item is the email for unsubscribe confirmation. I can make any edits that I want to make and then click Save and Next. And then the next email is the welcome email. This is the first email that they'll get. You can make any edits that you want and then go ahead and click Save and Next. And now I'm taken to my subscriber list dashboard. Right here, it says that I'm in the current list of new MB list. And from here, I can see how many subscribers I have, how many segments I have, how many fields I have. I can look at the stock pages and emails. I can go to quick links to do quick actions for things that I need to do for my list. I can also see the HTML forms. I can import and export subscribers. I can create a new campaign from the screen, and I can create a new sequence from the screen. I also have some analytics, including subscriber growth, campaign growth, and delivery versus bounces, and unsubscribers growth. I have already added my first subscriber list. Now I can go in and add my first email sequence. To add a new email sequence, all I have to do is go to this area and choose Create New Sequence, and I'm going to go ahead and name it and click Continue. And now I'm going to make sure that the name is correct. I'm going to make sure that the list that it's attached to is correct. And I don't have a segment to choose yet, but if I did, I could choose this segment here. I'm going to click Save and Edit. And now I'm editing the emails that are associated with this email sequence. So each of these email campaigns that I have, I need to edit in this sequence, and I can choose to edit just this one, or I can even add a few more. So now I'm adding a couple of emails so that I have a 3 email sequence. And now I can go into each one of these emails and edit them and determine exactly what day that these emails will go out to the subscribers. Once I've configured all of that, then I need to make sure that I activate each email. So I'm going to click Activate, and I'm going to click Activate again, and Activate again. And now I've created all of my emails, I've edited them and got the content in there that I want, and I've activated them so they're ready for my subscribers. So once I've done all that, I just click Done. And now I have information about my email sequence, including all of the emails that are there, and I get some analytics that will start to fill in once I get subscribers on this list. So I'm going to go back to the dashboard, and I'm going to choose to go into my subscriber list, the new MB list. To do that, I just click the Overview button. And now from here, I can do anything else with the list that I want to from this screen. This is the subscriber list dashboard. So as you can see, Mailingboss has made it really easy to go from subscriber lists to email sequences to email campaigns. And then, of course, you've got the automation here, and you've got templates to pull into your emails if you want to make them professional. To go back to the dashboard, all I do is click the Mailingboss icon, and I'm right back to the very beginning. So that's the new Mailingboss, brought to you by Builderall.